got the chimney full. If you go on YouTube or anything, and maybe from experience you know that this takes about 15 minutes by itself to get going. I got some cardboard underneath there. Could even take longer with the amount that I have in there. All you got to do is get a reducer or increaser to funnel that air. That's going to speed it up already, and then a higher chimney is going to super suck that up there. I can almost half the time. Now I'm going to even do matches. Normally I do a blowtorch, but let's see it. You can hear it just sucking it up. That makes a difference. All right, we might be 15 seconds in here, but we are right under 8 minutes into this. It is burning super clean. I can see white hot down there. I know the lighting's not that great. Yeah, there's some that are just starting to burn, but down in there, you can see plenty of red and white. I'm gonna call that. That is a lot faster and a lot less smoke. And it's ready. That's all it took.